Odiongan Mayor Trina Fabic has discovered a way to comfortably wear a face mask. She shared photos of these ear savers she got from a resident of Romblon province. Che Formilleza crochets handmade ear savers. She's a solo parent and a PWD. Formilleza became paralyzed months after giving birth because of complications from a urinary tract infection. Producing crochet products has been her source of income. When she began making ear savers in March, Formilleza initially donated them to frontliners.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.